Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. On this particular tutorial, I'd like to show you best interface design software for developers or for any designers at all. Whether you're into graphic design, you're into web design, animation, then you really have to check out on this particular tutorial. Without wasting my time, let's get started. Alright guys, so the first interface design software I'd like to talk of is called Figma. Why Figma? Despite being one of the newest tools, Figma is also one of the most powerful. If you are looking for a feature-loaded tool for interface design and prototyping, Figma may be the perfect fit. There are various features that comes with Figma. These features may include accessibility and collaboration. Why am I saying accessibility and collaboration? No matter the tool a team uses, there's a need to be a way to work together, present projects, gather feedback, and keep stakeholders in the loop. Another feature that comes with Figma is flexible and can be used as a collaborative whiteboard for sketching initial ideas and iterating everything from the wireframe to high fidelity mockups. So guys, if you really want me to do a full tutorial about this particular interface design software, kindly let me know in the comment section below and I'll do a video about that. Alright guys, so the next interface design software I would like to talk of is called Sketch3. Sketch3 is an extremely popular interface design tool focused on simplifying the process of creating a beautiful design and high fidelity mockups. So if you've been in the industry for a while, the designing industry, then you may know or you may have heard about Sketch. Sketch gained popularity in the early 2010s when it won a design award from Apple. So it means that it has been in the industry for a while and it's an amazing design. Designers love Sketch because of its unclustered and intuitive interface, which makes it easy to create beautiful designs. Sketch also has a comprehensive ecosystem of plugins and integration that brings added power and makes it easy to integrate Sketch into your workflow. So Sketch is really amazing software. While Sketch has recently added some features focused on prototyping and collaboration, the program isn't as advanced in this area as of some of the other tools. So Sketch is widely used. But one thing that comes with Sketch is that it's not a free software. You'll be given a free trial for some time, and when your time is up, you have to purchase it. And I think the free trial is only 30 days. So when the 30 days is up, you have to go for the paid version and start using it. So guys, kindly check out on Sketch, okay? It's an amazing software. Alright guys, so our next amazing interface design software I'd like to talk of is called Inversion Studio. Inversion Studio comes in two forms. So we have the paid plan and also have the free version or the free plan. So if you are a beginner and you want to check out this particular software, then I guess you go in for the free version, whereby we're giving limited feature to work with. And if you're hoping to create greater projects, then I guess you need to upgrade to the paid version, whereby we're giving great amazing features to work with. So that is for Inversion Studio. Guys, kindly check it out. And if you really want me to do a full tutorial about this particular interface design software too, I'm here for you guys. Kindly let me know in the comment section below and I'll do a full tutorial about it. Alright, so without wasting my time, let's take our last interface design software. Okay, so the last interface design software I'd like to talk of is called Figma. Figma started as a JavaScript library. So if you know a little about programming, then you may have heard about JavaScript as one of the several languages that developers use a lot. So if you're into web development, then you may know about JavaScript. Now back to Figma. This particular software is rapid, known as a prototyping tool that supports complex animation. So at first glance, Figma vector-based interface looks extremely similar to Sketch, but there are more features power under the hood. Designers like Figma for its responsive design features and also an array of pre-made components, and also support advanced animation. We developers really love this software because it simplifies the process of turning a design into a production ready code. So if you simply want a powerful interface capable of creating high fidelity prototyping with realistic interaction and animation, then Figma is a fantastic option for you guys. One amazing thing is that you have a free trial for 14 days, and when the 14 days is up, you have to go for the paid version, which is $12 every month. And also it comes with a particular privilege, which is you may be given a discount. That is when you have about 5 or more members using this particular software. So that's for Figma X. It's an amazing software. Okay guys, thanks for watching this particular tutorial. I'm very grateful, and I hope to see you in the next video. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. Okay, thank you very much.